Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from She's Making an Impact.com, and today I want to talk to you about how to get consistent traffic to your blog. The number one platform to get consistent traffic to your blog is going to be Pinterest. Hands down, bar none. I mean, my fitness blog that I haven't touched in a year, my traffic has only increased from Pinterest and from Google. So we now have about 50,000 page views and still making sales from that blog, which is crazy. So what I did to generate all that traffic was create consistent content. Content is king. You have to be creating content on a consistent basis for your audience. Why else would they want to do business from you? They're not going to buy something from someone they don't know, someone that hasn't added value to them. You're just a stranger to them until you're adding consistent value to their life. Okay, so content is key. And then you got to be putting it up on Pinterest. There's a lot of things that kind of go into it of like using the right keywords and the right graphics, which is going to be beyond the scope of this video, but I do cover that in my free Pinterest class. So go to freepinterestclass.com, you can register for that. But the biggest thing, content, be niche down too. So creating content that's related to one topic and then just putting it on Pinterest, using the right keywords, having the right kind of image, which is long and skinny, has some big bold text on it. You can kind of stalk my Pinterest board if you want. It's pinterest.com/Rachel Ngom to see the kind of pins that I use. I use everything in canva.com. It's so easy. I'm not a graphic designer. Trust me on that. I'm really good at SEO though, search engine optimization, and Pinterest is a search engine. So you need to understand how search engines work to really be able to dominate on Pinterest. So I do go over this in detail in my free Pinterest class. So sign up for that and just commit to creating consistent content. If you're not creating content at least once per week, do it. Tell me when you're going to publish your next blog post or put up your next podcast, whatever it is that you're doing. You could always take your podcast, put it on your blog, get it on that way, but comment below, tell me what you're going to do, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.